Alright, so now it's time for rhythm. When we talk about 4 being the bottom note of a time signature, you know by now that it equals the quarter note. And we talked about 2 equals the half note. And in this lesson, we're going to have the bottom number be 8. So you might guess that 8 equals an eighth note. So if you see a time signature of 3/8, then literally that tells you that there should be 3 eighth notes in the measure. Now, usually you would see them written not as separate notes, but you would actually see them beamed together like that as 3 eighth notes. Now, as with the other time signatures, 3/8 is the code to tell you how many eighth notes need to be in there. However, you can use any note values that add up to 3 eighth notes. Okay. So you might have a quarter note and an eighth note, or vice versa, an eighth note and a quarter note. Or you might have some 16th notes in there in combination with other note values, and you also have plenty of rests to use. Now, the thing you want to be careful about, however, is the way that you count these. You're used to counting eighth notes as 1 and, 2 and, 3 and. When 8 is the bottom number of a time signature, it's a little bit different, okay? Because now you're counting 3 eighth notes as 1, 2, 3. This means that if you have a quarter note, then a quarter note now gets 2 counts, 1, 2, 3. And if you have 16th notes, then now you count them as eighth notes, 1 and, 2 and, 3 and. Okay? So again, it's getting back to that musical math. So do a little practice with this, and then we're going to talk about one more thing with these time signatures in just a second.